Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be showing you very simple deals that you can do over at Walgreens this week, just using your phone. So this week the Crest toothpaste is on promotion for buy 2 and you'll receive a $3 register reward. Plus we have digital coupons. You can grab the $3 toothpaste, which applies to the digital coupons, and you'll receive the $3 register reward. But I decided to get this $4 toothpaste because there's an Ibotta rebate that gives you back $2 per toothpaste with a limit of 2. So grab 2 of these Crest toothpastes at $4 each. 2 will total $8. Clip both of these $2 off 1 Crest digital coupons, bringing your total down to $4, but you're gonna get back that $3 register reward plus $4 from Ibotta, making both of these a $3 moneymaker. Now I know that many of us have so much toothpaste in our stockpile, but whenever it's a moneymaker or Ibotta rebates are involved, it is definitely a must-do deal. The Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends shampoos are on sale this week at 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you receive a $4 register reward. So grab 2 and use this $3 off 2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $5, but you're gonna get back that $4 register reward, making both of these $1 or just 50 cents each. The Dove shampoo is on sale this week for as low as $4 each, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $5 register reward. Plus, we also have a new digital coupon. Even though I made it to the store really early today, my store was completely sold out of the Dove women's shampoo. But thankfully they had these Dove men's shampoo available for $5 each, so grab 2 of these and clip this $5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, but you're gonna get back that $5 register reward, making these completely free. And if you're able to find the women's $4 Dove shampoo, your grand total will be a $2 moneymaker. And the Walgreens brand trash bags are on sale this week for 3 for $4.99. So this is everything I picked up at Walgreens today. The subtotal for all these items came up to $30.99, which was perfect because I had this booster coupon for spend $30 and get back $8 in Walgreens cash. So that's $30.99 minus $12 in digital coupons. The total comes down to $18.99. But we're getting back $8 in Walgreens cash for spending $30 and $12 in register rewards, plus $4 from Ibotta, making all of these items here a $5.01 moneymaker. So even though we paid a little bit more for the Dove men, it still ended up being an incredible deal. These deals began today, Sunday, July 21st, and will continue until Saturday, July 27th. So hopefully you guys have time to go to Walgreens sometime this week. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.